Hello, everybody, and welcome to English Fiesta.
FiestaEnglish.com.
Hello, beautiful people. So today, I'm going to talk about my personality. Personality. It's a big word, isn't it? Cat is a short word. Personality. It's a big word. But what is personality? What is a personality? People, everybody has a personality. But every person's personality, it's not the same. They're different. My personality and your personality, they're different. Let's think. Do you know a person that's always happy? They're always happy, smiling. They have a lot of energy. They're always talking with this person, that person, that person. They have a very outgoing personality. But think, do you know a person, they're very quiet. Quiet, they don't talk a lot. That's a different personality. Some people are, energetic, happy, outgoing. They talk a lot. But other people, they're very quiet, low energy. They don't talk that much. That's different personalities. So my personality, I'm very energetic. I have a lot of energy. I like to move. I like to talk. I like to be happy. I believe in peace, love, togetherness for the whole world. I want everybody to be happy. That's my personality. What is your personality? Your personality. Do you have a lot of energy, or are you more quiet? What's your personality? But people, everybody is different. Not everybody is the same. And that's okay. It's okay to be different. It's okay. So, thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep listening, and your English will improve. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. They have a lot of energy. And welcome back to English Fiesta.